Yeah, that's just not that much. Oop. That's okay. Let me go over there. I'll go. Okay, now we're starting to down into it, so I'm going to watch it. Lift it up a little bit here. And I'll go that way instead. Look at her. Okay, now it's moving out of the vise now. And it's locked into that chest, so you're working against that. So I'll just stop there, get the brush head, get a couple licks. Now I'm gonna do the ears. Like I say, a lot of times the ears won't be perfect when you chisel them. And so you take it. I usually have this piece of bar stock tool steel, and I'll take and run it like a flatter or whatever. So I'll use my flat punch.